Warm-up quiz. A, B, C, or D. Do your own work. Do not take any answers from anyone else. Answer is A. Number 2. Answer is D. Number 3. Answer on this one should be B. Answer on that should be A. Pick a number, bring it up. The numbers are 2, 5, 9, 11, 16. Objective is to simplify complex numbers. This is a review of yesterday. Here's a practice problem. Try this and bring it up. The solution for this, there's no crime in simplifying before you go through and do the multiplication. So how about we keep this the same and this, but over here we have I to the 4th coming out as a 1, and you're just left with an I. So you can just have 6I over there. Then it will be 12 minus 18I plus 8I, and then minus 12I squared. So 12 minus 10I from simplifying this, and then minus 12I squared. I squared is negative 1 times the minus 12 would be a positive 12. 24 minus 10I. Try practice number 2. Bring this up. On this one, let's simplify a little bit first. And an I to the 3rd is the same as what? Negative I, so that would give us plus 3I here. And then on this side, I squared is negative 1, so we have a minus 2. When you multiply it out, it's 8x squared minus 4x plus 12xi, and then minus 6i. So we have our x's here, 8x squared, and then minus a 4x. There's really nothing else you can do with this. So we'll just leave it. All I'm doing is recopying the same thing. So the i's are on the back end with the x first, and descending powers of x in the front. So that's it. Practice number 3. Give this a try. On the practice, try to simplify a little bit first. So we'll go with 4 minus, but you have I to the 3rd, which is a negative I, so we really have plus I here, which makes it a little better. And it's really supposed to be this when you expand it out. So multiply to get 16 plus 4I, and then plus 4I plus I squared. That'll be 16 plus 8I plus I squared, and then the I squared is going to be a negative 1. So you end up with 15 plus 8I. On this, we can simplify a little bit first, and instead of being minus I to the 3rd, you can make it plus I, and the whole thing is to the 3rd power. Did any of you think this was squared? Okay, well, still to the 3rd, so it really goes like this. We'll have 2 plus I, but it's going to be multiplied by this squared, which would be 4 plus 2I plus 2I plus I squared. And then you can distribute or simplify in here first. I'll go ahead and simplify. And we'll have 4 plus 4I, and that would be minus 1. We can go a little bit easier there by doing 3 plus 4I. and then multiply it out to get 6 plus 8i plus 3i plus 4i squared. Alright, so we'll have 6 plus 11i. That's going to be a minus 4 on the end. So we end up with 2 plus 11i. Page 1.